Are you a realtor racing against the clock before a showing? We've got the ultimate pre-showing routine to ensure your listings shine. First things first, declutter. Grab a box and swiftly remove any unnecessary items from surfaces. A clean space feels larger and more inviting. Next, tackle those floors. A quick vacuum or sweep can make a world of difference. Want to elevate that appeal? Here's a tidy tip. Open all the blinds and turn on lights to create a bright, welcoming atmosphere. This simple trick highlights the home's best features and makes potential buyers feel at ease. Don't forget the kitchen. Wipe down countertops and clear away dishes for a polished finish. Finally, set the stage with a pleasant scent. Light a candle or use essential oils to create a warm vibe. With Tidy Tech's home cleaning, our team of cleaning experts ensures your properties are spotless, ready to impress buyers, and close that deal faster. We're a veteran-owned service based in San Antonio, offering reliable, quick turnarounds tailored for realtors. Ready to boost your listings? Check the video description for more details and contact us today.